Value chain analysis is one of the most important frameworks in strategic management for understanding how organizations create value, achieve competitive advantage, and improve organizational performance. Developed by Michael Porter, the value chain framework helps managers identify the specific activities through which a company creates value for customers and generates economic profits. Within the global MBA curriculum, value chain analysis serves as a bridge between competitive advantage, business models, operations management, and strategic execution. While the resource-based view focuses on internal resources and competencies, value chain analysis examines how those resources are deployed through organizational activities to create customer value and competitive differentiation. Leading MBA programs emphasize value chain analysis because it provides a practical framework for understanding operational effectiveness, cost structures, strategic positioning, and organizational performance. Executives use value chain analysis to identify strengths, eliminate inefficiencies, improve profitability, and develop sustainable competitive advantages. In today's digital economy, where organizations increasingly compete through innovation, customer experience, technology, and ecosystem integration, understanding how value is created and delivered has become a critical strategic capability. 2. What is value chain analysis? Value chain analysis is a systematic method for examining the activities an organization performs to design, produce, market, deliver, and support its products or services. The central idea is that organizations create value through a series of interconnected activities. Customers purchase products and services because they perceive value. The difference between customer value created, total cost of activities, equals organizational profit or margin. The objective of value chain analysis is to answer several strategic questions. Where is value created? Which activities create competitive advantage? Which activities create unnecessary costs? How can performance be improved? Which activities should receive strategic investment? Value chain analysis, therefore, connects operational activities directly to strategic outcomes. 3. The concept of value creation. Value creation is the foundation of every successful business model. Customers purchase products or services when perceived benefits, price paid. Organizations create value through product, quality, innovation, convenience, customer service, brand, reputation, cost, efficiency. The more effectively an organization creates value relative to competitors, the stronger its competitive position becomes. Example: Apple Incorporated creates value through product design, ecosystem integration, software usability, and brand prestige. Customers are willing to pay premium prices because perceived value exceeds alternatives. 4. Porter's value chain framework. Michael Porter divided organizational activities into two categories. Primary activities, directly involved in creating and delivering products and services. Support activities, enable and enhance primary activities. Together, these activities determine an organization's ability to create value and achieve competitive advantage. 5. Primary activities. Primary activities directly contribute to customer value creation. There are 5 major primary activities. Inbound logistics. Inbound logistics involve receiving, storing, and managing inputs. Examples: procurement, warehousing, inventory, management, supplier coordination. Objectives: reduce costs, improve inventory efficiency, ensure supply availability. Example: Amazon.com, Inc. uses sophisticated logistics systems to manage inventory and supplier relationships efficiently. Operations. Operations transform inputs into finished products or services. Examples: manufacturing, assembly, packaging, service, delivery. Objectives: improve quality, increase efficiency, reduce waste. Example: Toyota Motor Corporation uses lean production techniques to enhance operational excellence. Outbound logistics. Outbound logistics involve distributing products to customers. Examples: warehousing, transportation, order, fulfillment, distribution networks. Objectives: speed, reliability, cost, effectiveness. Example: Amazon's fulfillment network represents a major source of competitive advantage. Marketing and sales. Marketing and sales activities communicate value and generate demand. Examples: advertising, branding, pricing, sales management. Objectives: customer acquisition, brand awareness, revenue growth. Example: Nike Incorporated creates value through powerful marketing and brand positioning. Service: service activities support customers after purchase. Examples: technical support, maintenance, warranty, services, customer care. Objectives: customer satisfaction, retention, loyalty. Example: Apple Incorporated strengthens customer loyalty through Apple Care and retail support services. 6. Support activities. Support activities enable primary activities to function effectively. Firm infrastructure. Infrastructure includes strategic, planning, finance, accounting, governance, legal functions. Strong infrastructure supports organizational coordination and decision-making. Human resource management. HR activities include recruitment, training, performance, management, leadership development. People are often a major source of competitive advantage. Example: Google LLC invests heavily in talent acquisition and employee development. Technology development. Technology activities support innovation and process improvement. Examples: research and development, digital transformation, data analytics, artificial intelligence. Technology increasingly drives value creation across industries. Example: Microsoft Corporation continuously invests in cloud computing and AI capabilities. Procurement. Procurement involves acquiring resources necessary for operations. Examples: supplier selection, contract management, purchasing. Effective procurement reduces costs and strengthens supply chains. 7. Value chain and competitive advantage. Organizations achieve competitive advantage through value chain activities in two primary ways. Cost advantage. Organizations perform activities more efficiently than competitors. Sources include automation, economies of scale, lean operation, supply chain optimization. Example: Walmart Incorporated achieves cost leadership through logistics excellence and procurement efficiency. Differentiation advantage. Organizations perform activities in ways that create superior customer value. Sources include innovation, customer service, product quality, brand management. Example: Apple's design, software integration, and customer experience create differentiation advantages. 8. Value chain analysis process. Managers typically follow a structured process. Step 1. Identify activities. Map all primary and support activities. Step 2. Determine cost drivers. Analyze factors influencing activity costs. Examples: labor, technology, scale, complexity. Step 3. Identify value drivers. Determine which activities create customer value. Examples: innovation, speed, quality, service. Step 4. Evaluate competitive position. Compare activities with competitors. Questions include: where are we stronger? Where are we weaker? Step 5. Improve performance. Invest in high-value activities and eliminate inefficiencies. 9. Value chain and business models. Value chain analysis is closely linked to business model design. A business model explains how value is created, how value is delivered, how value is captured. The value chain identifies the activities that support these objectives. Example: traditional retail model. Value created through physical stores, inventory management, customer service. Digital platform model. Value created through technology, infrastructure, data analytics, network effects. Different business models require different value chain configurations. 10. Global value chains. Modern organizations increasingly participate in global value chains. Activities may be distributed across multiple countries. Examples: design in one country, manufacturing in another, marketing globally. Benefits include cost efficiency, specialized expertise, access to talent. Challenges include supply chain risk, geopolitical uncertainty, regulatory complexity. Global value chains have become a defining feature of modern business strategy. 11. Digital transformation and the value chain.
Digital technologies are reshaping value chains across industries. Key technologies include artificial intelligence, improves decision-making and automation. Data analytics, enhances customer insights. Cloud computing, supports scalability and flexibility. Internet of Things, IoT, improves operational visibility. Robotics, increases efficiency. Example, Amazon.com, Inc. continuously uses digital technologies to optimize logistics, customer experience, and operations. Digital transformation often creates entirely new sources of value. 12. Value chain analysis and strategic decision-making. Executives use value chain analysis to support decisions regarding outsourcing. Which activities should be outsourced? Vertical integration. Which activities should be internalized? Technology investment. Where should digital investments be directed? Cost reduction. Which activities require efficiency improvements? Differentiation. Which activities create unique customer value? Value chain analysis helps align operational activities with strategic objectives. 13. Limitations of value chain analysis. Although highly useful, the framework has limitations. Dynamic markets. Rapid change may alter value creation patterns. Service industries. Value creation may be less linear. Ecosystem competition. Modern competition increasingly occurs between networks rather than individual firms. Intangible assets. Knowledge and data assets may be difficult to analyze using traditional value chain models. Managers should therefore combine value chain analysis with RBV, business model analysis, and ecosystem thinking. 14. Value chain analysis and enterprise value creation. The ultimate objective of value chain analysis is improving enterprise value. Organizations that optimize value chain activities can reduce costs, improve quality, enhance innovation, strengthen customer relationships, increase profitability, build sustainable competitive advantage. The Global MBA program emphasizes that value chain analysis provides executives with a powerful framework for understanding how organizational activities contribute to customer value and competitive advantage. By continuously improving value creation processes and aligning activities with strategic objectives, organizations can achieve superior performance and long-term enterprise value creation. Key takeaways. 1. Value chain analysis examines how organizational activities create customer value and competitive advantage. 2. Michael Porter divided value chain activities into primary and support activities. 3. Primary activities include inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and service. 4. Support activities include infrastructure, human resources, technology development, and procurement. 5. Competitive advantage arises through cost leadership or differentiation within value chain activities. 6. Value chain analysis helps identify cost drivers and value drivers. 7. The framework supports strategic decision-making regarding outsourcing, investment, and process improvement. 8. Global value chains distribute value creation activities across multiple countries and markets. 9. Digital transformation is fundamentally reshaping modern value chains. 10. Effective value chain management improves profitability, strengthens competitive advantage, and supports long-term enterprise value creation.